we use a litmus paper test that is on a scale from 5 to 10 pH. We'll show you how to measure this now. First step, remove one litmus pH paper. Don't make sure not to touch the colored end, because then it can start to react with the oils on your hand. Go to your monitoring location, submerge the colored part under the water for 30 seconds. So that's what I'll do right now. Alright, that's 30 seconds. Now you just want to shake it off. We're going to let it dry, let the chemicals react for 2 minutes, and then we're going to use our color comparator to compare what the pH is. So, 2 minutes. So the next step is to compare the test pH strip to the known colors. You're going to compare all three colors. So this one is for a pH of 5. Obviously it doesn't look like that, so you can just kind of move it along as it moves up in half a unit increments. And you want to try to find the one that matches most closely all three colors. So when I'm looking at this right now, you want to look at an even lighting source, so either all shade or all sun. And I would say that this one most closely matches with a pH of 8.